Good morning, folks. Welcome to Budgie's Bus.
I'm Carol.
Let's start this again because my brain dried up again. Good morning, folks. Welcome back to Budgie's Bus. My name's John.
I'm Carol.
And, well, sorry we didn't get these Saturday's footage out. I broke my phone and we just couldn't get onto the internet. And so therefore we couldn't put it out. What I would like to do though, before we go into the video and the footage from Friday night and Saturday night, a big shout out to Donna and John. I can honestly say, hand on heart, this weekend for Carol and I and all the family that came with us, it was one of the best weekends we've ever had. There was no commercialism in it. It was just as what came on the tin.
Plain fun.
Yeah, it was Vanlife chillout, and everybody chilled out. I feel my age this morning, being Monday. We left Sunday afternoon, didn't we, to get home. I've got more aches and pains from this weekend than I have done for 4 years of life. It was so much fun. It was unbelievable. And like I say, Donna and John, you're stars. Thanks a lot. Please sit back, enjoy the video, and catch you in the next one. Bye for now.
Bye.
Is this Gareth coming across here? Gareth is coming across here now. I'll get you to speak to Jake. Come around this way. We have 3 more numbers to go. So, the wheel is spinning.